guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. So first, you have to add glue. It doesn't matter how much you put in, just how much slime you want to make. Next, add in your food coloring. Now add in detergent. My detergent doesn't actually work with slime, but the only reason I put it inside is to make the slime a little bit more lighter. Now add in your activator. I'm using borax and water. Now you can go on with your hands. If it's too sticky, you can keep adding more borax water. You'll know when your slime is done when it stops sticking to your finger. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and comment down below what you want me to do next. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!